In this video, we're going to show you how to change over the sandblasting head from the old style to the new, more efficient Venturi system. You're going to need a few tools, so a couple of spanners. You need a 10mm socket, a 5 and a 4mm Allen key, and a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, let's get to it.
So, the first thing is just to unscrew the old nozzle. From like this.
Yep.
First nozzle. And you don't have to just unscrew all the screws because we need to replacement the new holder. So, second, we need to just unscrew the laser. Just very carefully to put here, and then use the socket to unscrew the pipe. All right. So now we need to just use the socket to remove the old holder from the old nozzle. The same thing. All right. So, if you have some problem to just remove the holder, you can cut the hole, right?
Right. If you're not strong enough.
Yes.
They're not meant to come out.
Right. No. Okay, we decided to cut it.
There's $50 for that.
This is the tool we use to cut it.
Carbon on the ground, they'll still might be in the bag.
Next step is to undo these 4 screws.
Yeah, exactly. So you need 5mm.
5mm?
Yeah. First. Like that. All right.
Okay.
Now we can replace the old head. You can take the same screws.
Yeah.
Everything is the same.
You've already got
we
screws
already
in
have
there.
it, but you also
Yeah.
can the same distance and the same screws.
Yeah.
So first I put the distance for the screws.
Yep. Spaces.
Yes. And then carefully try to hold try to hold one. Second upper, the left corner.
Yep.
So, I always put the letter here to have a perfect level, and then carefully just screw the screws. Alright.
Pretty good.
Okay. So you can just
Tighten them all up.
yes. Now you have a new Venturi nozzle. and you need screw and the rubber or ring.
Yeah. Which way did the rubber go in?
So the rubber going here,
Okay.
but the
Protruding part
this
goes
direction
down.
pass down,
Yeah. Okay.
and then put like
Yeah.
this. This is
And-
everything.
Hand tight?
Yes.
Just hand tight?
Not, just hand tight.
Firm.
Yes. And now you have the hole, but if you want, you need to unscrew again. So now we have a Venturi nozzle, and the first thing is that put the cover on the hole. In here, just only put here, you see, and then just a little
Okay, so
like that.
just get it nice and flush.
Yeah.
Yep.
You need a little space because the rubber.
Now we've got the protruding part of the washer pushing
go
in
like this.
and creates the seal.
And then just by hand
Yep.
to the nozzle. And at the end, you have 8 small screws.
Yep.
You put carefully. Right.
So it goes slow so they go in straight.
Yes.
You don't want to damage the hose by going too fast and the screw not going in nice and neatly.
Exactly. Then put before the nozzle, put the laser.
Mm-hmm.
You can correct the laser later.
Yep.
Just only the screw front to the holder by hand is enough. Then put the in this side the
Okay.
nozzle like that, and also the vacuum hose like that.
Lovely. Okay.
All right. So now you can just using a mini screw to the holder, and then take the 4 millimeters here to screw the nozzle to the head.
Okay, and that holds the nozzle in place.
Yes.
Nice and tight.
In this side and also
Yeah.
in this side.
Yeah.
And now everything is
We're set up, and all
Set
we have
up.
to do now is just adjust the laser light.
yes.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Maddie.
Thank you.